Welcome back to Enough to Be Dangerous. I'm Paul.
And I'm Mike. Today we're working on my truck. The bearings in my front hub assembly are toast. All the brakes are paper thin, so we'll be replacing those.
So stick around, come hang out with us while we do some work.
This thing only goes like 18 inches.
So you're gonna want to just jam that under there, just anywhere. Right on the oil pan?
Right on the oil pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I have the adapter on the, because it's not factory lug nuts.
Oh.
So that socket and...
Oh, yeah. My words are dumb face.
You're confusing me.
I don't.
Quit confusing me.
This thing. There we go. This is the thing. Here it is.
I like it to be as dangerous as possible.
Just enough to be.
Just enough. Just enough. Not a lot of dangerous. Just enough.
Just enough.
Oh yeah, what brake pad?
Nah, you don't need them. Mm-hmm. Okay.
That is the smallest. Come here and check that out. That makes me feel...
It's just embarrassing.
Like, what is... That's an axle nut-ish thing? Like, look at the size of my finger. Holy... And it torques at a whopping 20 foot-pounds.
I'd like to help. I would. Here.
So fun.
Well, that's...
Oh, did you get her?
Turns out that's my thing. Just to just get the things that you can't.
Oh, appreciate it.
Yeah.
You know we're greasing everything.
Oh, yeah.
Might as well use it, right?
Pads and rotors especially, right?
You get a lot more life out of your pads if you put grease on them.
Now, your life may not last so long. It's terrible advice.
Oh, nice. That should go like
Just
so.
That was easy.
Okay, you got her set to...
Yeah, probably.
How do you even read that?
Clicking.
You sure that thing clicks?
Yeah. Just gotta use your big man muscles. It will click. You just gotta.
All right.
You just gotta do it right.
You say so.
It seems like way too much torque.
You try. See what you... Those are... I mean, they're big bolts.
Ooh,
there we go.
There's one.
2.
2's probably good.
3.
There you go.
All right.
I'll let you do the 20 foot.
The 20? Yeah. You think I can handle that?
Elizabeth, we were just talking trash about you. That seems like way more than 20.
Well, she didn't click.
Back it way off and just get a feel for the click.
Is that the click?
That's the click. You way over torqued that. That's gonna break and fall off and kill everyone.
Great.
Oh geez, it's stripped out now and
Ruin the whole project.
we're all gonna die. There, that's it.
That's 20?
That's 20.
Throw that bad boy on there. Pads are in. And we're going back on here.
Like a glove.
Up. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks terrible. Cool. Love it. Okay.
Oh, you want some spray paint?
Sad day, yeah. I got some black Plasta dip in there. All right, you'll notice the stock wheels are going back on. The aftermarket ones are just too bad to keep driving on. I'll get down and get some new ones here soon, but for right now, putting the stockers on.
Safety first, dish.
Oh, he messed up my gravel.
I didn't. That was your feet. I'm gonna throw the red flag.
Okay, we're gonna have to fix.
Review it.
We're gonna have to fix that when you leave. Like
those wheels look dumb, but
yeah, they do.
I wonder if. Yeah, they do look a little smaller, even without tread on these. But honestly, not a lot.
Width and a little bit of height.
Yeah.
But I'll get those. That'll give me a chance to get those cleaned up.
Yep. Wrap some new rubber around them.
Some new rubber, some new stupid all-terrains, because, you know, The old
Well,
check.
I mean, you know, if you did mud pits all the time, maybe that'd be different.
I do mud pits all the time.
No, you don't.
Oh, you're right. I want to do mud pits all the time.
That's different.
Why are we rolling back so far?
Well, science. Well, how high are you going to go?
Oh, well, as higher than I did before because...
Are you trying to roll it over?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I need to go higher?
No.
I can go higher.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Double check my chocks.
Are we chalked?
I think I got chocks.
Well, we're chalked as a mother scratcher.
Why?
Oh, I don't want to get run over today. Maybe another day.
Jack feels...
All right, I can't.
Jack feels solid, so...
Can't jack stand it no more. Don't.
Should I touch down on the jack stand?
It wouldn't hurt.
Okay, tell me...
Just go slow.
Yeah.
Ease on her. Easy.
Am I touching?
Easier. No.
Well then,
No.
we should have gone up higher.
There you go.
I'm touching?
No, we're touching. We're in there. Oh, that ain't going nowhere.
Okay, and I left the pressure on the jack too, so
Right. I can't. Screw it. Oh, you know what?
What?
Nothing. That's what. So this is why we're here today.
So we've already done the other side, brake and bearing. It was bad, but this one is badder. This thing is really bad.
Much more better. I don't know if you can even make out on here just how. I mean,
that's a lot of bearing play. They're supposed to be 0.
Keep going. Just do it some more.
Just until it falls off.
Because that is.
So this little story here. Truck started growling when we came home. We were at KOA for spring break, and I pulled a guy out who was really stuck. And
Off the beach.
Off the beach.
Yeah.
And the drive home from Oregon, I started hearing a growling noise, and it's been progressively getting worse and worse and worse. I had an idea that it was the bearing, but I didn't think it was that bad. I mean, I don't even know if video shows it, but that's really bad for a sealed bearing. Like, there is no adjustment. That's just, so that's my growling noise. That's, here, I'll show you the tire here in a second. It's actually so worn that it's separated down to secondary rubber. You can see that, right? It's secondary rubber, separated. So this is also the reason we're putting stock tires back on. So you can see how there's like a little bit of tread here, and it's flat here. That is a big old separation right there.
You can see the
That's
layers.
the secondary rubber. They're just getting scary to drive on. So I'm gonna put the stockers on, and we'll get some new tires on here in a week or so. But we're gonna finish up the brakes here, and then the bearing, and then on to rear brakes.
Ready, go.
Brake.
I see what you did there. All right, so can you see all the glitter in here? That is not supposed to be shiny. Well, there's your problem right there.
Might be the grinding noise.
That could be it. We're gonna go ahead and just clean this like it's never been cleaned before, and then re-grease it. But that is definitely where the grinding and the tire wear and all of that is coming from. So we're gonna clean it up, see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay. Yep, that'll do it. All right, that's front's done. You can, I don't know if you can see it on there. No, probably not. But holy smokes, this thing is
toast.
It's toast. Yeah, it's gone. Let's just
Round file.
perfect. So that's the front done. We're gonna take a quick break, go get some tacos,
Not from anywhere good, just Taco Bell.
and then we'll start on the back. So we'll see you in a second.
Spent all my money on brake parts. We don't get anything other than Taco Bell.
It's fair.
Well, we got the fronts done and tacos in us.
Now we're gonna go ahead and speed run the back. If we see anything interesting, we'll bring you in for a look. Good job, team.
Wish I had more brake fluid.
Don't we all? So that's job done.
We got the front hub assemblies replaced, brakes all the way around, And unfortunately, stock wheels back on. The tires on the other wheels were toast, so until I could get down and get some new ones on, I decided to put the stockers back.
They were a bit of a death trap. So if you liked what you saw, like and subscribe. It's free. Thanks for joining us on Enough to Be Dangerous, and we'll see you next time. Oh God, we're dumb. Okay.